Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm going to take you guys along with me as I go shop for a new wig. So I'm going to give you some pointers on how to choose and select the perfect wig. I've already chosen the one that I want, so I'm hoping that they still have it in stock, but you know, if not, that's just part of the process as well, and I'll come up with something else to do my hair while I'm on the road for like the next 5 days. Sorry that you just heard my dryer. Of course, mommy on the go, multitasking. And you know, all the mail and stuff over there, don't pay that any mind. It's just mail. I'm waiting on my mom to show up right now. She is fashionably late, and hopefully I come out with the wig that I intended for. But you know, who knows? If you're seeing this video, that means it was a score, or that at least the footage came out, okay? One of the first things that I always think about when I am going shopping for wigs, you see how I have a full face of makeup on? That's important because typically I wear a wig with a full face of makeup. As for you, if you're not a full face makeup girl or guy and you're still looking for a unit, go into that store looking close to what you're going to look like when you wear the unit. Therefore, you can get a real description of how that unit is going to fit your vibe. I mean, if you're looking for pink or blue or mermaid hair, what are you going to be wearing? Does it fit the mood? It's not like one of those things that you can buy a pair of jeans and when you get home, it doesn't fit the mood, you can take it back with the receipt. No, 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 no. Most beauty supply stores, once you purchase it, it's yours. Second thing, know that you're going to be trying a wig on, which means they're going to put you in a stocking cap that allows you to get, you know, basically a flushness to the wig. I am leaving my hair in a loose bun, but you'll see I kind of have it pulled up, and then I have like a little, oh, there she is. I have a quick little hair turban, and what that allows is when I tear myself up and I need to leave to go to another store, then I can put myself back together. Let's answer the door. She's gonna hate this. So hello to the people.
Hi.
People.
Hello, people. How are you?
I just told them that I was waiting on you because we're going wig shopping.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh, look at this fabulousness. Look at this fabulousness in this outfit. You better twirl on them, honey. Yes. And honey, that's just for us to go shopping.
And this is 66 years old.
That's exactly right, girl. So bring it on. That's cute. I like the thickness. This is really cute. She's $52. I love this color. It's a 613. That part looks really, really decent. You could actually ombre the part. The lace is thick enough that I can pull it. It has elasticity in it. One comb, yep, 2 combs in the front. Like that's a good secureness. I just don't know because this is asymmetric, so you only get one style wear. She's cute, but only on that side, so I couldn't ever middle part her, which is typically how I wear my hair. So if I smooth it over this way, she's cute though. So, I didn't find the wig that I wanted, but mommy found some nail polish.
Sure did.
She can always find her nail polish, honey. Ruby Kisses.
And also red.
And the red, that's pretty. How much were they?
$1.
$1. I'll take it. But like I said, you can always expect when you go into a beauty supply store, one, they're not going to even have the selection that you want. Two, if they do have the unit that you want to try on, they're only going to have one. That's been my typical experience going into smaller beauty supply stores. The unit that I was going back in store to purchase was one that I tried on last week, and I want to look around a little bit more. And of course, that's just the luck of the draw. They only had that one. They stated last one, and honey, she is gone. So we're gonna head on over to another beauty supply store. It's a little bit more congested than what I like. However, the congested beauty supply stores, oftentimes you can find a diamond in the rough. Let's see if my luck is really good and if I can clean one up. All right, guys, so of course I had to come to another store. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? 42 inches. Bloop. What we think? Do I need her? Are you gonna stay tuned to the end to see if I took her home? All right, guys, so back in the car, we have success. I did purchase a new unit. And you know, that was just the luck of the draw. Sometimes you go into a store and they don't have anything, and sometimes they have way too many. But you have to be available to try them on, put yourself out there, see if you were ready to try something new, experiment with different colors, and yeah, that's just how the ball bounced. And today we scored. So yeah, I'm hoping you enjoyed this video as I took you guys along as I searched for new hair. And yeah, make sure, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, that you click the link in the description box. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Share this video with your friends and your family. Join the Makeup by Kiani family, because you know what? We're going places. And yeah, until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Mom, tell them bye.
Bye.